How to turn off login alerts notification on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Then click on three lines located on top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Password and Security, which is below Personal Details. Then click on Password and Security again. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Login Alerts. In here, you'll find your Facebook ID. Click on the Facebook ID you prefer. Make sure there's no tick mark in it. App notification. After that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off login alerts notification on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.